Okay, here is my moldy leather jacket, and I'm going to take a damp paper towel and just real gently wipe it down and get all that mold off of it. It's really, really moldy, so be careful not to disperse the mold spores in the air. Again, you can see how gross that is. Okay, so then I'm taking my jacket outside. I'm going to use a steam cleaner. I have the Shark model, and I'm going to use that to steam the jacket. Okay, getting the steamer going, I'm going to lightly steam the jacket, and the microfiber cloth is going to help remove any excess dirt. Now, what I really like about the steam cleaning is that it's going to kill any mold and bacteria without using any chemicals and really get it clean. So then I'm going to flip the garment over and turn it inside out and make sure I steam the inside of the garment as well. This again is going to remove any mold, mildew buildup, body oils, and really refreshen the fabric. So here I'm moving on to my other leather jacket, and it definitely was not as moldy, so it didn't require a pre-wipe down of mold, and again just using the same steaming method with my steamer. Okay, so after I've finished steam cleaning the inside and outside of the jacket, I am going to condition it. I'm going to use these Maguire leather wipes. You can find them at Walmart. They're for car interiors. What I like about these is that they don't leave a whole lot of product on the garment. I live in a very humid climate, so it's going to absorb really fast and not leave excess product to get moldy again. And that's it. Happy writing!